Hi everyone, welcome back to the Helyx channel. It's Sarah and I can't wait for another tutorial. So without further ado, let's go ahead and begin. So this one is a continuation from our last tutorial, which can be found on our YouTube. So let's go ahead and begin. So first we need to import turtle. Oh yeah, this is the Python tutorial part 2. So first we have to import turtle. And let's set the pen size. So this will be a new function. So turtle.pensize 5. So what this does is it makes the pen size 5, which is thicker than the usual size. And now I can teach you some new functions such as how to change the color of the pen and how to fill it up. So turtle.pen color blue. So as you can probably tell, that would set the color of the pen to blue. And if you just want something that's pretty cool, you can make, you see how it's an arrow right now? You can actually make that into a turtle shape. So to do that, you do turtle.shape turtle. And I'm also pretty sure that there's other shapes that you can do, but since it's Python turtle, I thought it would be fitting to do a turtle. Next, you can set your fill color. So you need to set your fill color before you actually draw the shape. So if you wanted to do pink, you could do turtle.fillColor pink. And then once you want it to fill, you have to do turtle.beginFill. So that tells Python when it needs to start filling the thing that you're drawing with the color pink. Okay, so now let's go ahead and do our actual shape. So if you wanted to do a square, that's pretty simple. So turtle.forward 200, so that moves the turtle forward 200 units. And then now you need to turn the turtle. So you do turtle.left 90, because 90 degrees, and then we'll repeat this until you get your square. And I'm just doing 200. I'm not really sure why, but you can choose whatever units that you like. And it should still work fine. Okay, and after that, we need to put turtle.endFill. So it kind of loops back to the beginning. So here we have endFill, and here we have beginFill. So if we run this, oh, I think I spelled turtle wrong. On line 5. So it's always good to look at the console to see what your errors are and how to fix them. So, okay, here we go. Yay, as you can see, we just made a blue square with a pink filling. So you can kind of play around with the colors. So for instance, if we change this color to red, what do you guys think this would output? Well, you probably guessed it. The pen color will be red, the outline will be red, and the fill color will still be pink. Okay, and I have a couple more things to teach today, and I just have it saved down here. So, okay, so for this next one, you can see first you start with the pen color of red, and then the fill color of yellow, and then pen up is where you lift the pen so it doesn't drag if you want to move it to a new location. And then I think this is a new function, the turtle.goto function. So this just kind of makes it really easy. So instead of going forward 400, you can just kind of go to any spot. So the 400, the first value is the x coordinate, and the second is the y coordinate. So if I make a little comment here, turtle.goto, and then x coord, y coord. And then we learned the begin fill, so it's going to start filling with yellow. And then pen down, because we put pen up we put pen up, and this is a new function, the turtle.circle function. So the turtle.circle function, the first value would be the radius. But you could also do, if you wanted to do like how many degrees. So usually it's just 360. It would be radius, comma, degrees. So that would be how many degrees you want the circle to be. Like if you want a half circle, you would change this value to 180. And then lastly, just the turtle to end fill. So if we run this, yeah, we still have our code for the first program, which is the square. Yay! So we can see our circle. I'm actually gonna just change this one to orange, or I don't know, maybe pink. Okay. And then this next program. So now we're changing the pen color to brown, and then the fill color to orange, and then pen up, and then the go to. So we want to go to this value. So remember, this is the 700 is the x coordinate, and the 200 is the y coordinate. And then we've got pen down, and then begin fill, turtle 150, forward, left 120, forward 150, left 120, forward 150, and then end fill. So what do you guys think that this program outputs? What kind of shape do you think it outputs? What's the fill color and what's the pen color? Feel free to pause and just think about it for a little. So if we run that, sorry, we still have the shapes from the beginning. I usually comment them out, but yeah. Yay, so if you guessed a triangle, then you are absolutely correct. It goes forward and then it makes the turn of 120 degrees and does that 3 times. So yeah, this is really fun to just kind of play around with. You can kind of see that they all kind of follow a similar structure. Like you set the pen color, you set the fill color, you pen up, you go to the spot, you begin fill, you pen down, and you make your shape and you end fill. So the best way to learn this is to just get practice. So yeah, thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time.